Today we're going to walk you through how to install a Uni-Valve in your orbital pole. You're going to need an orbital pole, a Uni-Valve, O-clips, pole hose, and it's worth having an O-clip tool at hand as well. Firstly, we're going to cut our pole hose. We want it to be 8 to 12 inches taller than the pole you're going to use. It's recommended to use some warm water to make each end of the pole hose more malleable. Next, we're going to attach each side of our pole hose to the Uni-Valve. Make sure you slide your O-clips over the pole hose. You want to attach the length of the hose you've measured and cut to the top of the Uni-Valve. The rest of your trailing hose will be attached to the bottom of the Uni-Valve. Make sure that the trailing hose doesn't cover the lip of the Uni-Valve. This is the part that is pulled on and off to activate your water flow. Next, you're going to want to do up your O-clips. Using the O-clip tool, find the ears of the O-clip and clip them tight. Push the Uni-Valve through the base cap of your orbital pole. It should come out the other end without too much hassle. Once the pole hose has gone to the top of your pole, you're going to want to thread your pole insert over the pole hose and back securely into its section at the top of your pole. Once done up at the clamp, you're going to want to use an O-clip or a hose stake, as this stops the Uni-Valve from moving out of position. Then you should be ready to use your Uni-Valve in the orbital pole. Simply pull on the Uni-Valve to activate the flow, and then pull on the Uni-Valve again to then stop the flow. And that's how to install a Uni-Valve into the orbital pole. Thanks for watching.